This Wednesday morning, a monstrous storm affecting the Florida north central area, west coast, west central area, north of Tampa Bay. We're talking Cedar Key up towards Gainesville, Tallahassee. It's going to make a landfall as a major hurricane and then slowly begin to weaken, but still hurricane effects going into Georgia, even into South Carolina, the potential for some hurricane effects. Let's give you the latest on this, making an early day landfall on this Wednesday. There's the track, the past history, really moving quickly up to the north and northeast, and it'll continue to move along. That's the good thing. So maybe that limits the flooding a little bit, but the storm surge, that's just the ocean, the Gulf of Mexico getting carried inland from the center of the landfall to the right is going to be devastating. It's going to go miles inland, as it will take a while to get enough elevation to stop that water from rushing on in. So they'll be cleaning up as they go into the afternoon and the evening as that storm system moves into Georgia and eventually South Carolina by later on tonight, but it's still a tropical storm here. Look at that in Georgia, Category 2 storm. South Carolina here near Charleston as a tropical storm, but it could go in here as a hurricane in portions of South Carolina. The heaviest of the rain to the north of the system. It will not be affecting us locally. Idalia is going to be moving out to sea thanks to the cold front that's coming through here. Maybe we clear out a little bit tonight. You'll get to see something that's very, very rare. It's the super blue full moon. It's super in size, 14% bigger than the smallest one. It's the largest one of 2023. It peaks at 9:36. It's also a blue moon. We had a full moon back earlier this month, which was also a super moon. And this is the second one here on the 30th. It's a rare combination. Next time you get that super and blue together is not going to be until 2037. It actually happens in January and March of that year. Next weather maker, cold front about to move through. Then we've got high pressure, and this one is going to be large and in charge. It's going to stretch for days. Really cool temperatures on this side of it. Eventually, it's going to warm us as it moves to our east, but it's going to be right over us, very dominant. This front not meaning too much business for the rest of today. I think the worst of the rain came through last night, some thunderstorms, no flooding locally, so we're looking pretty good. Now, while it's dry here, there's going to be a pop-up late morning going into the midday of a few isolated to scattered showers. We'll have some wind in there, and if you get wet with the falling dew point and temperatures only near 70 degrees, it'll feel a little bit cool. Then those temperatures fall even more so. Could be into the 40s in some spots later on tonight. So we've got the scattered showers here at the noon hour. As we go through the day, those scattered showers still could persist, maybe more isolated this evening and moving to the south before we clear on out. And there you see low 50s and even 40s. Gorgeous day for tomorrow. You can see the sunshine. Temperatures only hitting the lower 70s. More quiet weather going into Friday. So here's the 7-day forecast. Tomorrow starts the nice dry stretch that could last a week. 71 tomorrow, 77 on Friday, my pick day. If you like it warm, wait till the weekend. Dry for Syracuse football. By Monday, 89, and Tuesday, 90s. Maggie?